Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to prevent purchases on iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on settings, then scroll down and tap screen time. First guys, we need to set a screen time passcode. If anyone tries to make changes, they will be prompted to enter the passcode. So how to set the passcode? Very easy. Scroll down and tap lock screen time settings. Then enter your passcode, for example. Perfect. Then re-enter screen time passcode. And now enter your email of your Apple ID. Perfect. Then tap OK. Then enter your password of your Apple ID. Then tap OK. Perfect. Now let's prevent the purchases. Tap content and privacy restriction and toggle it on and enter your screen time passcode. Now tap iTunes and App Store purchases and tap in-app purchases and tap don't allow. Perfect. You can also prevent deleting app and installing app if you want. Just tap on deleting app and tap don't allow, and no one can delete apps on your iPhone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.